Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture series on computer vision. The last lectures in transfer learning, we prepared our vgg16 model, and I also gave you a glimpse of what the model summary actually looks like. So in this lecture today, we'll be compiling our model and training our model, let's say on 10 epochs, and let's see at the end of the 10 epochs whose accuracy is better, whether it's CNN or whether transfer learning is performing better than our previously trained convolution neural networks. So without wasting much of our time on this, let's get started. So I will go ahead and I will compile my model at first. So it will be model.compile, and then you have to pass in the optimizer, which is basically Adam optimizer, and then I hope you remember the loss function, which is categorical cross entropy, and then metrics, which basically is accuracy in our case, right? So I will go ahead and run this piece of code for you. So it has compiled without any errors, and now let me just train this model. So his is equals to model dot fit underscore generator. Here we'll passing the training data, and in the validation data we'll be passing the validation data, and then in the epochs we would be passing in, let's say, 10, right? And now I will run this piece of code for you, and it should successfully run. So it's working now, and let's see at the end of, I don't know, at the end of the first epoch how much accuracy the result gives us. So as you can see, the loss is decreasing continuously, it's increasing, decreasing, but yeah, if you see, the accuracy is basically giving us 83% even at the first epoch itself, which was not the case when we were actually using CNN model. So I hope as time goes, the model will actually get better. So let us wait for 2-3 epochs to get finished and see how does the model actually performs. So yeah, we are at the end of the first epoch, and at the end of the first epoch we are getting accuracy of 85.29% and a validation accuracy of 79.30%, better than what our model was actually giving us in last time when we actually use a simple convolution neural network model. So we'll wait for this epoch to finish, and then I will meet you in the next one, where we will see at the end of the 10th epoch what is the result and how we can improve this model even further. Can we use something like early stopping or maybe model checkpoint to save the best model weights and something of that sort. So yes, at the end of the second epoch, which is now absolutely done, we are getting an accuracy of around 94%, and the validation accuracy should be around, I guess, 80 to 83%. Let's see what is this. Yes, it's 83% at this point in time currently. So yeah, I will stop this lecture over here, meet you in the next one, and in that the whole training would be finished, and then we can see how we can improve this even further. We'll also plot the graphs as we did in CNN models as well. So see you in the next one.